if I had to start learning graphic design all over again, I wouldn't open Photoshop first. I definitely wouldn't waste time jumping between 10 tools, wanting to understand all the tools in the software. I'll start with one most powerful tool. Maybe not the most powerful, but a very powerful tool. Affinity. And I'll focus on making designs that actually look good, fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I would learn graphic design today. I help beginners and designers who feel stuck or are overwhelmed learn design the smart way. So, if you're starting your design journey today, tomorrow, whenever you're watching this video, this is the roadmap I definitely would follow, step by step, without getting overwhelmed. You see, before touching any tool, you need to first understand the fundamentals: color, composition, and typography. There are a lot more, but these three, color, composition, and typography, with them you can never go wrong. These are the things that make design feel balanced, professional, and visually appealing. You can learn them just by observing. Look at posters, ads, even book covers. Don't copy. Yeah, they say still like a designer, but that's when you actually know what you're doing. Analyze why this design works and this doesn't, and then you start thinking like a designer. Next, I'll pick one tool and stick with it. For me, it's Affinity. It's fast, it's free, it's affordable, and perfect for learning core design skills. Don't try to master every tool at once. You would end up frustrating yourself. Just focus on creating something small. Learn the shortcuts, learn the layers, get comfortable with the interface. Master one tool first, remember, and others will become easier later. Every week, I will make one small project, maybe a logo, a poster, or a social media graphic. The goal isn't perfection, it's practice. And each project teaches you something new. Believe me, you learn a new thing about spacing, hierarchy, even color, faster than any other tutorial you could ever imagine. Even a bad project is progress. Finish it, learn from it, then go on to the next one. Don't leave projects unfinished. That way you end up creating a cluster. I would also study designers who share their thought process. I'll follow teachers, I'll follow professionals, and I'll follow experimenters in the game. Not every Jack, Dick, and Harry. Jack, Tom, whatever. Observe how these people structure their layouts, how they use grids, how they handle spacing. Feed your eyes. Feed your eyes. Don't copy their work. Sometimes you could try with designing just so you get a hold or better understanding of what they're trying to do. But always analyze the logic behind it. Learning from others accelerates your eye for good design. Finally, one mistake I made that I want you not to make is to post everything you make. On Instagram, on Behance, on X, Twitter, whichever platform that you are on, post. A portfolio isn't just for showing others. It shows your growth to yourself. You look back at where you were and where you are, and you feel proud of yourself. Don't wait for perfection. Document progress, showcase mini projects, and you will attract feedback that help you improve faster. So, if you're starting graphic design in 2025, remember this. Number 1, focus on seeing like a designer first. Number 2, make small projects consistently. Number 3, stick with a tool like Affinity and let your skills grow over time. If this video helped you, hit the like button or drop a comment to show that you're starting your design journey. Please subscribe, because in my next video, I'll be showing you 3 tools you actually need to start designing today. No fluff. This is action. You're welcome.